Good afternoon, Jabula. How are you doing?
I'm good. And yourself?
I'm all right. Thank you very much. Guys, today we have Njabsi. We are going to be talking about the evidence of stain. Do you guys remember the issues regarding the calls that were made allegedly by Stain, telling us that they were made by, they were made, I think it was Kelly calling number five or number five calling Kelly. And then there was this situation when it comes to was it what type of a call was it that was made between them? Was it an internet call, BPM call, whatsoever? So Jabulo is going to tell us about that, and he's going to prove to us that Ustein, while he was doing all of that information, giving that evidence, he somehow misled the court. But before Njabulo does that, guys, please make sure you do engage on our channel. You do make sure your likes and views are the same. And when you do that, you leave comments there that you the things that you want to know need clarification on. You ask questions, then Njabulo will come back and be able to answer better. But if you don't do that, then we don't know how to engage with you. So we do this content so that you can engage and you also can understand what is happening behind the scenes when it comes to this case. So please do the engagement. The likes, the comment section must be your home. The likes also, and then also share, subscribe, do all of that. Thank you so much. Jabs, over to you.
Noni,
Yebo.
and your people. Um, you know, there's few things that we need to first remember. The case has been dragging in for the longest time.
Yes.
Now, number five, as well as Kin, there's a linkage is that they say there's a link amongst them between Kin and number five. Remember, information that was read was that one second.
Okay.
There's information that was read. That information is saying from the phone of accused number 3. It says the phone book had the number that was written in Foga Kumar.
I remember you mentioning this. Yes.
Now, they must have cooked. It says, okay, if it's Foga Kumar, and this number ended up realizing that it belongs to Fisoguhle, Zungu, and so it means that when they were planning, it means that when they were planning this thing, because number 3 is the one that appears to be the one that pulled the trigger. Ne?
Yes.
They nominated that. So they're trying to make us believe that number 3 may have got the information from number 5. Then it just saved him and says, I, in Sizulu, you say, hey, ile number lo muntu ofuna umfoka Khumalo, othunya umfoka Khumalo.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's like saying, it's like he's calling number 5 as if he's saying number 5 is Kelly's person, is Kelly's contact person. That number 5 got the brief from Kelly, and number 5 then communicated with number 3. Or number 3 is going to do the job at CCC
Yes.
because the contact person is number 5.
Yazinhlekani. Yazinhlekani. Number 3 akasenachiki simbuka nje ehleli pha esitulweni ecourt for ukuba besihlisi
so so now so now so now when you think about that, all these people, they've got their own personal life. Now, just for you to imagine that this is what is currently happening, it is very scary. Now let's play this clip, Non,
Okay.
before anything. It's a short clip for 2 minutes.
Meyiwa's phone number just hours after his death.
The phone number belonging to the deceased Senzo Meyiwa was inserted into a new device, a Nokia.
Yes. That phone, according to data, belonged to former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder David Mathebula.
But we get positive result.
Evidence in this court was that that phone, that Nokia phone, at some stage, a phone number that was linked to David Mathebula was once inserted to that particular IMEI number. Do you have a comment on that?
Yes. Vaithillingham also revealed Mathebula made several calls to Meyiwa's then girlfriend, Kelly Khumalo. The first just 2 hours before a SIM swap was done. However, none of these calls went through.
So, since we have established that number belonged or it was associated to David Mathebula, did that number at any stage have any contact with any number associated with Kelly Khumalo?
Yes, 27th October 2014 at 7:32, the number ending 3899 called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail.
Vaithillingham was unable to complete her evidence as she felt too ill to continue. But it seems the court is keen to have the defense's ballistic expert on the stand as soon as possible.
You're running the risk of me dying. Oh, it will be nice. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this trial has been dragging and dragging and dragging and dragging. I once did a trial for 5 years, but at least it had breaks in between. Now this one, it's like the Orient Express. It just goes on and on and on and on and on.
The trial resumes on Tuesday. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.
Buya Njabul. Jehovah.
Unlock it that he was scammed by the same one of the accused people of the Mania e-wallet. So in this case, Noni, we were speaking on our last clip about this issue of the cell phone and Mathebula and all that.
Yes.
Now, the reason why we're touching that because it was the element of why we're saying the SIM swap is a scam.
Mm-hmm.
That's a media clip that was going on and on about how number 5 communicated with Kelly.
Yes.
Then the link now to the same number, Steyn links it to number 3's phone. And number 3's phone, they even say that, hence I was telling you that the number is saved as Mfoka Khumalo. Yes, which since Mina is number 3, I'm going to execute the job of Kelly. So because number 5 is my contact person, so I'm saving him as Mfoka Khumalo.
Now, do you know what's so weird, Jabulo, about this number 3 and number 5 situation? One of the weirdest things for me when I listen to things that are being said about them, I'm not saying I choose number 3 is an angel, but I choose number 3. We know of one person that he is in jail for. Then I choose number 5 is like a proper Ingabi. He has even life sentences for that. Yet he goes and sends someone else to do a job for him. Like this cooking situation. No, man.
Yes, it doesn't make sense. But then now let's try and understand what I said previously. I'm gonna try to go to my TikTok account again, Noni, and
see page 41.
Noni, it's very important that people must understand my captions in these things that put them. And we're saying that Steyn was clear on his cooking and the untruth about Kelly's and accused number 5. So
repeat of what I just did, just discussed.
Okay.
Okay. It's contact between Kelly Kumalo with number 2782-704-4358.
Kanti-ke ukuxhumana-ke okwasetshenziswa uye lona-ke okanye kusetshenziswa-ke kule phone le phone number kaKelly Kumalo ethi 2782-704-4358.
So we will now password.
now, do you hear that Steyn is clear on that? I'm going to play another clip. Can you still see my screen, Non?
Yebo.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
And also here, remember, he called the numbers. So when you're making explanation about numbers, Non, if you know that your call type was a data call, there's no need for you to explain the numbers because you'll have read a reference which will be a BlackBerry BBM pin as a first reference to that. But then now Steyn called out the numbers. It says this person called this person, you know.
Yes.
So now hence we're saying that Steyn's evidence was very clear. He said it's a normal call. This data evidence is BS. Now, also, anyway, Ukeli has 8 numbers and Ntuli has 6 numbers. Like, really? Why will they then revolt to this data call? So that was the reason why they were explaining to us before, which Kelly has 8 numbers, Ntuli has 6 numbers, so that we know that there is a direct call conversation between them. But let me play this clip again.
So, please, Malot, we are on page 29 of Exhibit 01. The witness is also going to cross-refer to page 41 later in his evidence. Colonel, you may proceed.
Thank you, my lord. First, I want to just say, go back to yesterday's 2 calls, the one on the 2nd of August and the one on the 15th of October 2014.
Okokuqala-ke ngizothanda ukuthi-ke siphindele emuva kule ngcingo ezimhluza izolo. Kukhona-ke le shothi i-call yange-2 zika-August 2014 kanti nalena-ke yange-15 zika-October 2014.
Then I want to point out that suspect number 5 is Mutuli Nkani.
Manje ngifuna ukukusho-ke lokho ukuthi umsolwa wesihlanu ungu Ntuli Nkani
with the number 277330599202.
Kanti-ke inombolo yakhe-ke yomakhalekhikhini iyo leyo-ke 277330599202.
Can you just place his first name on record?
Sifu Kuli.
Fiso Kule.
I can't drop it. Nkani Ntuli.
Fiso Kuhle Nkani Ntuli.
Yes.
And we refer to him as suspect 5.
Kanti-ke uma sikhuluma ngaye-ke sikhuluma ngo-suspect number 5 okanye umsolwa wesihlanu.
According to all the downloads, he using 6 different numbers.
Manje ukuya-ke ngama-download okanye imininingwane exhumene nama-download sebenzise ama-number angaba u-6.
That I determined by means of the people who knows him, save his name on the contact list.
Lokho-ke ngakwazi ukuthi ngikuthole kubantu-ke abazana naye abathatha amanambolo wakhe bawabeka-ke okanye bawafaka kumakhala ekhikhini wabo okanye kuma-cellphone wabo.
The following numbers belong to him: suspect number 5.
Manje nawake amanambolo wakhe ke wocingo okuwona amanambolo awasebenzisayo
27 723 99 5787.
kanti ke u27 72 399 5787.
The second number is 27 79 149 0821.
kanti ke enye inombolo iyo leyo ke i2779 149 0821.
For the next number 27.
So
Did you say Untuli? I said, hi. That's not my number.
now, no, we are not just going through this process of reminding people of these numbers to as if it's for fun. We're doing all these things to just make sure that people understand that when now anybody comes back and tells you, this was a data call, a BBM call, it's nonsense, basically. It's nonsense. It deserves to be called the worst thing that is possible that can be called. It's actually a manga. It's lies. It's fabrication. Now, so in a normal court, this evidence will have been struck off because Vodacom comes through and says, I don't see this call from my 205. But before Vodacom, they were saying, this is from a Vodacom 205. Then now we started hearing that there are two 205. It's the same thing that happened with the pictures, man.
Yes.
Hence, they even said they called that other one work in progress. Work in progress is what? Is editing. No, I'm not talking about anything. SAPS has a lot of softwares and systems that does the editing. They will take your video footage, they will blow it up. You will see that once you go to court, you'll see they've got a photo album, they call it. They've already edited the photos and all. They said, I can't talk to these things. Where did you get this thing from? It's the same thing that is currently happening as we speak in court, where in the tribunal that's currently happening now. Today, those expensive senior counsels, they've been made to sit down there and watch the video. It can't be. So Noni, this clip of today, it was like really meant for us to understand that this issue of a cell phone evidence, when it comes to a phone call, it doesn't exist. It's purely hogwash. And I'm gonna play another clip now, just to complete these things in context.
Of Exhibit 01, the witness is also going to cross-refer to page 41 later in his evidence. Colonel, you may proceed.
Thank you, my lord. First, I want to just go back to yesterday's two calls, the one on the 2nd of August and the one on the 15th of October 2014.
Okokuqala ke ngizothanda ukuthi ke siphindele emuva kule ngcingo ezimhluza izolo. Kukhona ke le should i-call yange-2 zika August 2014 kanti nalena ke yange-15 zika October 2014.
Then I want to point out that suspect number 5 is Mutuli Nkani.
manje ngifuna ukukusho-ke lokho ukuthi umsolwa wesihlanu Ntuli Nkani.
With the number 2773 305 9202.
Kanti-ke inombolo yakhe-ke yomakhalekhikhini iyo leyo-ke 2773 3059202.
Can you just place his first name on record?
Sifuki Kuli.
Fiso Kuhle. Page.
Now, none. You see, he explains that they call on the 2nd of August, but when Steyn comes back the second time, he then adds plus 2 hours. How do you add in plus 2 hours on this call? Now it says because now this call taking place at the 10 p.m. Now it means now this call may happen on the 3rd of August on a 205. Remember when Steyn came back for the second time?
Huh?
Yeah, listen to Steyn's second round. He talks about this thing. So no for me na ish. You know what? I don't want to spend time wasting on this nonsense. All I'm saying that you can say that Njabulo is saying this issue of these calls, it's nonsense. You can write it in your title. That's what I'm saying now. That this issue of these calls are nonsense, are tantamount to fabrications. They don't exist. There's no technical explanation for it. So if these calls are supposed to be linking Kelly, then it's nonsense. Then Kelly is not part of this case. Then the police must explain where this information is coming from, because this information is not in Kelly's 205 as well.
Yes.
Now, Steyn was sitting with all the document explaining everything that is currently happening on the case, the cell phone information, the downloaded numbers, and the linkages. It's very nice. It's very happy to tell us that, reminding us that, remember when Kelly was beaten up just before around 2010, he opened the case of assault. No, that's that thing. It's a serious thing for women. It was gender-based violence. They used that number that Kelly used back then in 2010, 2011 to open a case that says it's one of the 8 numbers that Kelly had.
Wow.
Do you still have it? Yes, that's how they get around to saying that Kelly has 8 numbers.
Sure.
Fine.
Anyway, I wanted people to understand when it comes to these calls, because there's no way, even if whatever, Njabulo, still Steyn coming back to say, no, this was a WhatsApp call, this was a BBM call. Why are they going to happen exactly with the straight calls that Section 205 from Vodacom has calls for Arthur and for Senzo? Why? Because you can't be using the same number and receiving different calls at the same time, even if the other one is an internet call, because now we have WhatsApp calls. So if I'm on a call with you, while we are talking, I need to cut this one when another call is coming in. We can't have...
Well, no, you can now.
You can now?
Now you can. 2014, no.
No, for 2014 you couldn't.
No, you couldn't in 2014. Yes. Now you can. Now they're solving 2014 issues with the latest.
Njabulo, I'll speak to you on another video.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks. Thanks. Bye.